Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with dentalplans.com for dental insurance enrollment. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to dentalplans.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started or Join Now button, usually prominently displayed. Click on that button to start the registration process. You will be taken to a new page where you can choose a dental plan that fits your needs. Browse through the available plans, and click on the one that interests you for more details. Review the plan features, costs, and coverage options carefully. Once you've made your choice, click on the Enroll Now or similar button. You'll then be prompted to create an account. Enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a password that meets the site's security requirements. After filling out the form, click the Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the verification. Return to the dentalplans.com site and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, complete the application for the selected dental plan. Fill out any required information, such as your address and payment details. Make sure to review your information to ensure everything is accurate. Once verified, submit your application by clicking the designated button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your application is being processed. Check your email for further instructions or confirmation of your enrollment. Congratulations! You are now registered with dentalplans.com and ready to enjoy your dental coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.